Hello, my name is Shivansh Rahangdale, and my topic is on attendance management system. So this is the table of content. There is introduction, purpose, feasibility, disadvantages of manual system, tools and technology, and advantages, disadvantages of the system. And we're gonna talk about features, what are the motivations behind it, and what are the challenges, and what are its future scope, and at last its conclusion. So, uh, attendance management system. It is a software uh, developed for daily attendance in schools, colleges, and institutions, which will be very useful. It facilitates to access the attendance information of a particular student in a particular class. The information is sorted by the operators, which will be provided by the teacher for a particular class. This system will also help in evaluating attendance eligibility criteria of a student. So that's the introduction. Uh, there are mainly two purposes behind that system. First purpose is of developing attendance management system is to computerize the traditional way of taking attendance. It makes it much easier to take attendance. Another purpose for developing this software is to generate the report uh, automatically at the end of the session or in the between of the session. So it will save a lot of time by doing that. Talking about the feasibility, it is very economically feasible. This system being developed is economic with respect to school or college's point of view. How it is going to be uh, economically feasible? Because it is cost effective in the sense that has eliminated the paperwork completely. We don't need pen uh, and registers as we have been doing in a traditional way, and this system is also time effective. uh, it will complete our job in much more effective way, because the calculations are automated, which are made at the end of the month or as per the user requirement. Sometimes we also forget to take attendance, but because it will be automatic, so uh, we don't have to keep that in mind. It will do the job automatically. The result obtained contains minimum errors and are highly accurate as the data is required. And talking about the technical feasibility, the technical requirement for the system is economic and it does not use any other additional hardware and software. We have real feasibility. The system working is quite easy to use and learn due to its simple but attractive interface. Uh, it will be having a very simple user interface, so it won't be difficult to use. User requires no special training for operating the system. Talking about the disadvantages of present working system, which we have been using till now. Not user friendly. The existing system is not user friendly because the retrieval of data is very slow and data is not maintained efficiently. Difficulty in report generating. We require more calculations to generate the report, so it is generated at the end of the session and the student not get a single chance to improve their attendance. That's a major drawback. Manual control. All calculations to generate report is done manually, so there is greater chance of error. Uh, It is also true. Lots of paperwork in our existing system. It requires a lot of paperwork. Loss of even a single register record led to difficult situation because all the papers are needed to generate the reports. So it will be more convenient in that way. Time consuming. Every work is done manually, so we cannot generate report in the middle of the session or as per the requirements because it is very time consuming. By using that system, it will be very convenient to use, and no time will very less time will consume. It will take very less time as compared to present system. Now the characteristics of the proposed system. User friendly. The proposed system is user friendly because the retrieval and storing of data is fast and data is maintained efficiently. Moreover, the graphical user interface provided in the proposed system, which provides user to deal with the system, it will become very easily. Reports are easily generated. Reports can be easily generated in the proposed system, so user can generate the report as per the requirement or in the middle of the session. As we have discussed earlier, very less paperwork and computer operator control. Computer operator control will be there, so no chance of errors were there. It is it will be very helpful. Moreover, storing and retrieving of information is easy, so work can be done speedily and in time. Tools and technologies, the one is from software side and one is from hardware. So we will be needing an operating system and HTML language to build the web page, and we will be needing a desktop or laptop to access that web page so that we can keep track of students. The pros of this system: for the student, it will be easy to see their attendance by themselves. They don't need to ask their teacher. uh, it will save a lot of time. uh, it will be very easily accessible. Whenever students want to see their attendance, they will be able to do that. They just have to sign in to their account, uh, go to the web page, and they will be able to see their present attendance. For faculties, it will be very easy to take attendance, easily calculate of average attendance. Calculations will be done automatically. It will reduce the time for calculating worked hours, eliminating mistakes made during calculation. No chances of errors will be there. Reducing time needs to verify attendance data, reducing time for making reports and sending them to the administrator. There are only two cons related to that system. First one is problems. First is problems related to software, and second, the internet connection will be required for student and the faculty as well. The features of student management attendance management systems are: it manages the attendance of all system and staff at one place. Simple and easy interface for filling attendance of all staff and students. Cumulative term, midterm, and annual attendance can be generated. The administrator can keep a note of staff attendance and keep a record of the same. In What were the motivation challenges behind it? In order to maintain the records of students for University of Education with accuracy, we will design a better attendance management system, and it is considered to be important key behind motivating this project. In this way, the system will remove the problems of roll calling and will save the time of teachers as well as the students. We can improve fingerprint identification system by decreasing the matching time. For it, we will divide the database to 110. Feature scope: free approach to enter attendance, free trouble to use, better user interface, will be highly reliable. So we have reached to the conclusion. This project will help the lecturers to reduce their workload by reducing the time and calculations required to update the attendance manually. Students and parents will also view the attendance and curriculum details using the website. So that's all about the attendance management system project. Uh, Thank you.